This is the short version of practice problem number 2 from lesson 2, naming the moves, and unit 1, rigid transformations and congruence. In this problem, there are 5 frames that show a shape's move to different positions. And when you describe the shape in the beginning, you're going to call it a figure. So this is the figure, and this is the image of figure 1 after its move. This is figure 2. This is the image of figure 2 after its move. This is figure 3. This is the image of figure 3 after its move. This is figure 4, and this is the image of figure 4 after its move. Now the movement is either going to be a translation, a reflection, or a rotation. So this is figure 1, and figure 1 moves to its image in frame 2. So it's moving from figure 1 to image 2. This is the image of figure 1. Now you don't know if this movement is a translation or a reflection because it's symmetrical. It looks exactly the same on both sides. And so it may be reflecting over a line of reflection, or it may be just sliding through to the other side. Now if we add a circle to this, now we can tell because now it's not symmetrical anymore. So where this circle ends up is going to tell us whether it's a translation or a reflection. So here it's moving just straight across. So that's a translation. So that circle remains in the same position. So it's translating. So figure 1 is translating to its image in frame 2. Or it could be reflecting over a line of reflection. So now that circle changes position. It goes from here to here. So it's reflecting over, would be a line of reflection like a mirror, and it's reflecting over that. So this is its reflection is image 2. So go back. You really can't tell whether this is a translation or a reflection. So you just have to choose in your description. Now to go from figure 2 to image 3, it's the same idea. This could be a reflection. It actually looks like a reflection because it flips over, ends up here. And I can show that if I make it asymmetrical by adding this circle here, you can see that this circle ends up on the same side. So this in fact is a reflection over this line of reflection like a mirror once again. So this is the figure, and this is its reflected image. Now it could be, on the other hand, a rotation. So if you look at this circle right here, this would be the reflection. But what if it rotates up 180 degrees up to here? Now notice the position of this circle. It's on the other side, and you can't tell that without making it asymmetrical. You can't tell whether this is a reflection or a rotation. So this is a reflection. And this is a rotation. Whoops, reflection, rotation. So see how this circle ends up on the other side because it has rotated around. Same idea going from figure 3 to image 4. You can't tell whether this is a translation or a reflection. I'm not going to go through the examples again. It's the same as going from figure 1 to image 2. And the same going from figure 4 to image 5. You cannot tell whether this is a reflection or a rotation, just like going from figure 2 to image 3. So go back and look at those. So once again, just each move, this could be a translation or a reflection. This could be a reflection or a rotation. This could be a translation or a reflection. And this could be a reflection or a rotation.